Good morning, class. I hope you are
Good
well,
morning, ma'am.
healthy,
Good morning, ma'am.
and good
Good
morning.
morning, ma'am.
And done your homework. Have you? Have you completed your homework?
Yes,
Huh?
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, ma'am.
Good.
Yes,
So
ma'am.
let's start today's class. So today we will learn comparing fractions. In previous class we learned equivalent fractions. In today's class we will learn comparing fractions. So what is like fraction? You have done like fractions in your previous class? You have done like fractions in your previous class, right or wrong? Class?
Yes, ma'am.
I
Yes,
can't
ma'am.
hear you. Yes. So what you have done?
Yes,
What are like fractions? What are like fractions? Can you tell me?
कहाँ से देखना है आपको?
What happened?
मुझे नहीं लग रहा तो बता दो
Why
तो
are you not answering? So two or more fractions having the same denominator but different numerators are known as like fractions. So let me give us some examples. See, 7 by 9, 5 by 9, 2 by 9. You can see these all are like fractions because the denominator is same but the numerators are different. Here, you have to answer also yes or no. If here, please note it down.
Yes, ma'am.
Write it down. Write it down. Written? Written? Write it down.
I'm written.
Written? Now let's move to the another form. What is unlike fraction? What are unlike fractions? Can you tell me? What are unlike fractions?
Ma'am, unlike fractions, the fraction which numerators are same but denominators are different.
Good. But the numerator is not same. The numerator will be different. Unlike fractions are fractions whose numerators are also different and denominator is also different. Understood? Who? None of the values are same. So, two or more fractions having different denominator and different numerators. For example, here I have taken as a set. You can see 5 by 9, 4 by 7, 2 by 3. Okay? Or you can see anyone's that voice is coming again and again. Okay. That's why my slide is getting disrupted. Okay. So we have done this. Copied? Have you copied?
No, ma'am. Please wait.
Copy it
No.
down.
No, ma'am.
Copy. Two or more fractions having the same, having different denominators and different numerators. Example, 4 by 9, 5 by 9, 4 by 7, 2 by 3. You can see all the numerators are different and denominators are different. Now, based on these two, that is the concept of like fractions, and concept of unlike fractions, we compare fractions. So let's see some techniques. The first
Your
condition.
voice is not coming clearly.
My voice is not coming clearly. Should I? And anyone else also is not able to hear, or only you?
Ma'am, your voice is not coming.
My voice
Ma'am, your voice is
coming.
not coming.
Okay, let me check. Anyone has hampered with my voice or what? No? Now it's clear? Is it clear or still not coming?
Ma'am, it is clear.
Ma'am, it's clear.
Ma'am, your voice is not coming.
Then that will be a technical problem from your side, not mine side. Because if everyone cannot hear, then that's a problem. But if you cannot hear, that means a technical problem from your side. So let's see, move ahead. Comparison of fractions. For this, the first condition, when the fractions are like fractions, when all the fractions are like fractions, let's take an example for this. You can see I have taken an example. 2 by 7, 6 by 7, 5 by 7, 3 by 7 and 1 by 7. You can see all the terms are like fractions because the denominators are same. Right? Now, what we will do, we will just arrange the numerators and copy down the denominators as it is. So, which will be the smallest number? Which will be the smallest number? Which is the smallest number?
1 upon 7.
1 by 7.
1 upon 7.
So 1 by 7, then 2, then 3, then 6. So 1 by 7 is less than 2 by 7, is less than 3 by 7, is less than 5 by 7 and is less than 6 by 7. Remember that in case of comparison, these signs are essential. ये जरूरी है. If you will write commas and give the same set, अगर कॉमा लगा के ये सेम सेट दे दोगे तो तुम्हें 0 मिलेगा, कोई मार्क्स नहीं मिलेंगे. आप you have to use these signs of less than or greater than. If you will write the same set but with the help of commas, you will get a 0, nothing else. Am I clear? Am I
Yes,
clear?
ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So this time don't say ma'am why you have given a 0. If you will write the numbers in the form of commas, you will get a 0, nothing else. Understood? Now let's move to the next one. Next condition says, when the fractions are unlike fractions, but the numerators are same. See, the fractions are unlike, but the numerators are same. Let's take an example. See,
Ma'am, your voice is not coming.
here you can see that the numerators are same, but the denominators are different. Again, I'm saying, here you can see the numerators are same, but the denominators are different. So they all are unlike fractions. They are all unlike fractions. So the first step, remember in this type of question, the greater the denominator, the lesser the value. जितनी बड़ी जिस वैल्यू की डिनोमिनेटर होगा उतना बड़ा वो वैल्यू, उसकी अपनी वैल्यू बहुत कम होगी. So that means which is the smallest value in this case? Can you tell me which is the smallest number in this case?
Ma'am, 1 upon 4.
1 upon 4.
1 upon
मेरी
4.
बात फिर से सुनो.
1 upon
मेरी
4.
बात फिर से. हमने क्या क्या?
Ma'am, 1 upon 4.
Let's see first one once more and then look at the numbers. In case when the numerators are same and denominators are different, the case in which the numerators are same and the denominators are different, then the number denominator having the greatest value is the smallest value of the fraction. जो नंबर सबसे बड़ा डिनोमिनेटर में होगा उसकी वैल्यू सबसे छोटी होगी. अब नंबर्स को देखो एंड टेल मी which number is the greatest. Which number is the smallest? Which number is the smallest?
And
1 upon 50.
1 upon 50. And then it will be 1 by 12. Sorry, 1 by 23 is smaller than 1 by 12 is greater than, smaller than 1 by 7 is greater than 1 by 5 is greater than 1 by 4. Understood? Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Clear with
Yes,
the
ma'am.
concept?
Yes, ma'am.
And you have seen I have not written commas, I have written less than sign. I have used less than sign. I have not written commas. So copy it down. Copy it down. Copied?
no, ma'am.
Fast. Okay, let's take the next condition. When the fractions are unlike fractions. In the previous case, the fractions were unlike, but the numerators were same. But in this case, the numerators are, both the numerators are and denominators are different. Again, there are two conditions. For first condition, when we have only two unlike fractions. When we are talking about two unlike fractions, what we do? We first write 5 by 7 in the LHS side, and I have taken number 2, number C, 5 by 7 and 4 by 9. We write 5 by 7 on the LHS side and 4 by 9 on the RHS side. Now, what you will do, you will cross multiply 5 by 9 and 4 by 7. What we will do, we will cross multiply 5 by 5 with the 9 and 4 by 7. So what we received? 5 9s are 45 and 7 4s are 28. Now which number is greater? 45 is greater than 28.
5
When
greater.
45, so that means which number is greater? 5 by 7 or 4 by 9?
Ma'am,
5 by 7.
5 by 7.
5 by 7 is greater than 7 is greater than 4 by 9. Any confusion? Any confusion in this method?
No, ma'am.
Any confusion in this method?
No, ma'am. No, ma'am.
Hello. Copy it down.
कौन कॉल कर रहा
Can I move to the next one?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
More in previous question we were talking about two unlike fractions. Now we are talking about more than two unlike fractions. More than two unlike fractions. See here I have taken three fractions, 1 by 5, 4 by 9 and 5 by 12. The first step of this is you have to take the LCM of 5, 9 and 12. So find out the LCM and tell me what is the LCM of 5, 9 and 12. Come on. Find out the LCM of 5, 9 and 12. Fast. Find out and tell me the answer. What is the LCM of 5, 9 and 12? Give me the answer.
By which number, ma'am?
5, 9 and 12. You have to find out the LCM of the denominators. The first step
Ma'am,
in this type of question is to find out the LCM of the denominators 5, 9 and 12.
Ma'am,
What's the answer?
Ma'am, the LCM
Huh?
is 180. Ma'am, the LCM
180. Any other answer? Any other answer? Any other answer? Okay, let me check. Are you correct or not? Yes, you are correct. That's 180. Now, what we will do, we will write the 180 separately. See, I have written in 180 separately 3 times and found out 5 divided by 180 gave me 36 and I multiplied it by 1. See, then again 9 divided by wrote in the denominator 180 divided 9 by 180, that is 20, and multiplied in with the numerator. So that was 4 into 20. Again, copied 180 in the place of denominator and divided 12 by 180, that gave me 15, and multiplied it with the numerator. Understood? Any confusion in this step?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Okay, see? Yes, please. Any confusion to ask? Any confusion, please ask.
Please tell me, ma'am,
No, ma'am.
how 1 into 36 came and 4 into 20 came.
180 came as the 180 is the LCM, which you took out. 180 is the LCM, and rest. Again, I am telling you. Listen. See, you will first make 3 sets of 3. I have made 3 sets of fractions. You can see here 180, 180, 180. Then take the first step. Take the denominator of the first step and divide it by the LCM. That is 5 divided by 180. That is equal to 36. And multiply that answer with the numerator. And multiply the answer with the numerator. That is 1 into 36. Again, in the second set, take the denominator of second set and divide the number with 180. You will get 20. And 20 multiply that 20 with the numerator of the second set. That is 4 into 120. Similarly, take the third set. Divide 12 with 180. You will get 15. And multiply that 15 with the numerator of the third step. That is 5 into 15. Any confusion?
No, ma'am, thank you.
Okay.
No,
Now
ma'am.
now we will solve the numerators.
Okay.
So 36 into 1 is 36 upon 180. Next number is 4 into 20 is 80 upon 180. And 5 into 15 upon 180. So we have to solve it. So now which is the greatest number? Which is the greatest? We have to arrange in ascending order. So when we will what we did in case of like these all are like terms now. These all terms are like fractions. Yes or no? Are these fractions are now like fractions or not?
Fractions. Yes, ma'am, they
Yes.
are.
So which is the smallest number? Which is the smallest number?
Ma'am, 36 upon 180.
36 upon 180.
So 36 is less than 180, is less than 75 by 180 and is less than 80 by 180.
Yes,
So,
ma'am.
I have not written for you. You will tell me, is this the final answer? Is
No,
this the
ma'am.
final answer? Huh?
No, ma'am.
Yes or no, ma'am?
No, ma'am.
So, what will be our final answer that you will tell me?
1 upon
See.
5.
36 by 150, 180 will be replaced by 1 by 5 is less than 5 by 12 is less than 4 by 9. Write down. What I have not written for you. You will write. Why by 5 is less than 5 by 12 is less than 3 by 9. Written? Written? 1 by 5 is less than 5 by 12 is less than 4 by 9 will be our final answer. Any confusion? So you will not leave your values in the form of equivalent. You will write the original values of whose you have changed it into an equivalent fraction. Understood? Understood?
Yes,
Or
yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
let's try to do a what problem. Shivi read 50 pages of a book containing 200 pages. Shivi read 50 pages of a book containing 200 pages. Understood? Vidushi read 1 by 5 of the same book. 1 by 5. One is given in the form of numbers, the other is given in the form of fraction. You have to tell me who read less. Can we compare a fraction with a number? Class? Read the question. Then I will read the Have you? The question is from your book. No need of noting down. Just read the question properly. Have you understood the question?
Yes, ma'am.
Now, can we compare a number with a fraction? Because you can see Shivi read 50 pages and with Yushi read 1 by 5. Can we compare these two numbers? Just now you learned
No.
which numbers can be compared with which type of numbers. Just now you saw or not? Just now you saw which numbers can be compared and which numbers cannot be. So can you tell me that can we compare a fraction with a number? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Just go
No,
through
ma'am.
the topic what we have just now did. No, na? So either we have to convert. We have to. Mariam, please.
Ma'am,
We
your
have-
voice.
My voice is coming. You just come closer to the apparatus instrument you are using. I'm telling, just go through the. Now, you have seen we were comparing two fractions, but not a fraction with a number. So, first step is to convert the number into a fraction form. So, let's see how to do it. See, total number of pages in the book were 200. Number of pages read by Chevy was 50. So the fraction of pages read by Shivi is numerator will become the number of pages read and denominator will become the total number of pages. So that was 50 by 100, and when we it's not in the lowest form, fractions are always in its lowest form. So it will be 50 by 100, that is 5 ones are 5, 5 fours are 20, 0 0 cancels, so 1 by 40. Sorry, 1 by 4. Now, fractions of pages read by Vidushi, 1 by 5. Now can we compare them? Yes or no?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes? Can we compare? Yes. So now we will compare them. So, Shivi, now see, they are what? Which law we will have to use? Which law? We have done this just now 2, 3 methods. Which method? See, the fractions are unlike but the numerator is same. The fraction is unlike but the numerator is same. So, which is the smallest number?
Ma'am, 1 upon 5.
1 upon 5. So, who read less? who read less? Huh? Yes.
Ma'am, Vidushi.
Vidushi read less pages than Shivi. Understood? So Shivi. Okay. Now note down the homework. Now note down the homework. Wait. There's a little thing. Let me do it.
Your voice is not coming
Right.
clearly.
But you can see the slides now. You can see the slides or not?
Yes, ma'am, we can see.
No, ma'am. Your camera is off.
Okay, I'm giving you the look. I'm correcting it and again connecting it. Okay, wait. I'm doing it. Wait, I'm doing it. Now can you? Now can you?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes,
Okay. I'm again showing you.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
I'm again showing you the previous question. Note it down. Sorry. Now note it down. Note it down. Noted? Noted?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Now note down the homework. One, two, four, five, 6, 7 and 10. 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 10 are in your course. The question 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 10 are in your course. Understood? Question, and you have to
Yes,
do
ma'am.
it in your homework. You have to do it in your homework. Any other query?
Okay, ma'am.
Any other queries?
No, ma'am. No, ma'am. No,
So,
ma'am.
thank you and have a nice day.
Bye, ma'am. Bye, ma'am.